Hi guys. I already started off the day like really bad with this whole vlogging thing. It's already 5:30. But nothing interesting really happened. Nothing interesting really happened today. I pretty much went to school, went to work, and now I'm home. And I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna make classic beef stew. This looks so good and it's not even anywhere near done. So now I'm just working on some stuff for my website, trying to update my pricing page. Actually, I'm pretty much like redoing the whole thing. Where's it at? Oh, of course, now it's not on there. I pretty much just changed the whole thing up yesterday, and now I'm working on my pricing in Canva. Boom, got dinner going right there. Hopefully that's done soon, because your girl is hungry. So I didn't really vlog much today. Today is, what's today? Today is Tuesday the 30th? Yeah. And it's already 3:30. I worked from 7 this morning till like 1:30. But now I'm in the middle of doing some homework. Yay. Love it. But I'm freaking starving, so I'm eating a turkey sandwich. It's literally just bread, turkey, and mustard. Sounds disgusting, I know. But it's not. I promise. Today is Wednesday. I'm currently running late for school as usual. Right now I have like a little mount rigged on my dashboard, so hopefully my camera doesn't fall again. And I know this isn't flattering, but it's pretty great. So I just got done making dinner. It's really late for me to be eating. Actually, it's already 8, but Peyton was being really clingy today and she didn't want me to stop holding her, so it kind of made it hard to do anything. But I made kale and edamame and then some steak. It's so freaking good. I can't eat it. So guys, I did a thing and I forgot to tell you about it, and I forgot to take my vlogging camera, but I have purple hair. It looks so good. Do you like it? Do you like mommy's hair? Do you like it? Okay. But yeah, my hair looks so freaking good. I'm obsessed with it. It looks so freaking good. For anybody who's local to Jonestown area, go to Sheer Elegance and have Allie do your hair, because that's who did my hair, and she does really good. And she also has a YouTube channel, and I will link that down below for you to check her out, because she's cool. Yeah. It looks so good. I'm so obsessed. It looks so good. The last time I had like a natural colored hair was probably like my freshman year of high school or middle school. I don't know. It looks so good.